In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Tradingview desktop app. First, head to the official Tradingview downloads page. Choose the installer that matches your operating system Windows, Mac, or Linux. Then download and run it. Follow the prompts to complete the installation. Once the app opens, sign in with your existing Tradingview account. Your charts, watch lists, and settings will sync automatically. So everything you've set up in the browser carries over without any extra work. One of the biggest advantages of the desktop app is performance. Because it runs in a dedicated environment, it reduces browser distractions and typically uses resources more efficiently. That clean, focused workspace is great for trading sessions where you want speed and stability. You'll also notice a better drawing experience. Tools feel more responsive, which makes technical analysis smoother. If you use more than one monitor, the desktop app really shines. You can drag tabs to separate screens and manage multiple chart windows at the same time. For faster analysis, enable syncing so your symbol, interval, and crosshairs stay consistent across charts and displays. When you switch a ticker or time frame on one window, the others can follow instantly, saving you clicks and keeping your view aligned. Links to Tradingview from emails or chat apps can open directly in the desktop app. This keeps your workflow in one place instead of bouncing back to a browser. To monitor several markets at once, click the layout icon to split your screen. Pick a grid that fits your setup and watch multiple pairs or instruments side by side. Make sure auto-save is enabled in the menu so your layouts, drawings, and indicators are preserved as you work. It's a small step that prevents headaches if you ever need to close the app quickly. Customize the look and feel in settings. Switch between light and dark mode or match your system theme to keep things consistent. If you want even faster access to your charts, set the app to open at system login so it's ready the moment your computer starts. Altogether, the desktop app offers more stable multi-charting, better responsiveness, and a clutter-free workspace tailored to trading. Install it, sign in, set your layouts and preferences, and enjoy a smoother, more focused charting experience. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.